duck splash, who will we see? Come to the pond and count with me. Down at the pond, who do we see? A duck says quack to you and me. Quack, quack, paddle away. Quack, quack, splish, splash, play. Harry Murchie's at the pond today. Come and sing the pond friend song. Harry Murchie, splash, splash, hooray. Harry Murchie, sing along. Down at the pond, who do we see? A turtle says blub to you and me. Blub, blub, swim so slow. Blub, blub, splish, splash, go. Bye, bye, pond friends, off we go. Harry Murchie says the pond song's done, you know.